In this video, we are going to learn how to make a toggler door mechanism. Right now, I am in part mode. So let's see how to make it. First select the front plane, click on sketch. Now click on here, click on center rectangle. Draw the shape as I'm showing. Make it 100 by 100. 100 by 100. Make another rectangle, but it must be 70 by 70 mm. Smart dimensions 70, 70 mm. Convert into construction geometry by pressing Ctrl, select these lines, click on for construction, click OK. Draw a circle as I'm showing at these 2 points. This is 5 mm, this is also 5 mm, and provide a distance from here to here is 5 mm. Oh, okay. So this is done. Go to the features, extrude, 5 mm extrusion, click OK. So this is how it looks like. Looks good to me. Now I will save this part, Control S, save it, and let's make a new folder, and I will code solidworks files, file, double click on it, and let's make it toggler dot one. Click OK, and it's saved. Now click on file, new file, part, and let's change this background to plain white. Now what I will do, I will select the front plane, click on sketch, draw the slot, and its length will be 122.07. 122.07, and give it a diameter as per your requirement. In my case 12 mm is fine. Zoom in, draw two circles at the corner points. They both will be 5 mm. 5, 5. Ooh, I make a mistake. You see that it's showing radius 12 mm. Basically I want the width to be 12 mm. To make it, I need to reduce the radius to 6 mm. Now the width will be 12 mm. Go to the features and extrude it. How much? Let's say 5 mm this as well. Click OK. Uh, let's save it. Let's save it as roads. Now go to the file, new, assembly. Click OK. Oh, before going to the assembly, my mistake. I have to make a one more part. So click on here, part. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I will click on the front plane, click on sketch, draw the shape as I'm showing, select the corner rectangle, draw this rectangle, and give it a dimension. So this length will be 200 mm, and sorry, 220 mm. 220 mm. Total, this length will be 150 mm. Zoom in. I will draw another rectangle here. Now the width of this is 90 mm, and the length will be 200. Now the distance from here to here will be 10 mm, and from here to here will be 10 mm. Now I will extrude it to 10 mm. Select this face, click on sketch, zoom in, draw the circle as I'm showing. Diameter will be 5 mm, From the top, it will be 5 mm. From the side, it will be 5 mm again. I will draw another here, same specs. Let's cut it out. Features, extrude cut through all. Okay. So press Ctrl S. Let's name it frame. Go to here, assembly, click OK. Now we are going to import all these three. By pressing Ctrl, select all these three and import it. Notice by default this component is fixed and cannot be moved. So basically that I want. But in case if you have imported, let's say this one, and it become fixed, and you want to move it, what you can do? For example, this is fixed, and I want to move it. What I can do? Right click, click on float. Now it can move it. Right click, click on fix. Now it is fixed. So this is a one thing that you need to know. Let's change the background to white. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 in your laptop. Now I will go to the assembly, mate. Okay, close this. By pressing Ctrl left click on your mouse, drag it. By pressing Ctrl left click on your mouse, drag this part, and we have another replica of it. And rotate components. Here's the thing. Uh, let's go to the mates. Clear this face. Select this and this face. Click OK. Now here is the issue. The issue is I want this hole to be here, but as you can see, if I modified anything uh, in the component in this part, it will modify in the above one as well. So what I can do? So here's the smart approach. Instead of going and make this part again, what I will do? I will select this part. It's highlighted here. Right click, and what I have to remove is make it independent. So what will happen after I click on independent? Whatever changes, toggle door one, okay, toggle door. So what will happen if I do any kind of changes in this geometry? It will not happen in this one as well. So this is what I basically want. I will do make changes here, but it will not be shown on in this one. So that's the reason I've done it. So I will select this part, click on edit components. So save this first. As, assembly's name is fine. Click save. So I will select this, go to the sketch, click on edit sketch. So basically where I want this circle, I want it here. Draw the 5 mm. Think about all the hard work I have to do if I don't use this shortcut. Click OK, exit, and exit. Now go to the mates, select this and this one. OK, select this and this one. OK, select this face and this face. OK, select this face and this face. OK, Select this face and this face. Okay, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, close it. Now, if I go back and forward, you can see how it will work, correct? But there is an issue. If you look at it, you can see it's clearly interfering with each other. So the door must be front and back, not the exactly aligned that I have done earlier. So I will select this. Mm, I will go to the mates, select this one and delete it. And I will go to the mates, select this face and this face. Provide a distance of 5 mm. Okay. And select this one. I will go its mate, select this one. Instead of deleting, I will go to this time edit features and I will go to distance, enter the value of 5 mm, click OK, close it. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So now it can work properly. Now I want to do the animation part as well. So what I can do, so what I will do, I will go to solidworks motion, go to the motion study tab, click on motor, select this face. What I want distance, how much, 90 degree. When it will start, 0. How long the animation will be, 5 seconds. Click OK. Click on calculate. Looks good to me, but it looks quite slow and annoying. So I will click on here and increase the FPS to 24. Click OK. Click on calculate again. Now it looks smoother and better. Uh, we have made to this point. Let's add some, coloring to it to look and make it better. So I will go to the appearance, go to the organic. What I want, wood. Choose the wood as per your requirements. I think wood material are not working fine in me for some reasons. I think I have accidentally deleted the wood materials in my SolidWorks, so it's not showing. Let's add the painted one. Painted one is working fine for me. Hmm, this one, silver. What I'll keep this one. And black. I think that looks good. Select this frame. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now I go to the motion study. Click on animate. So in that way, we have made our toggle door animation. And if you wanted to make in loop, so you can click on this. So yeah, that's for all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, you can feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.